Namaste, Kushro Bidya. I, JVN Ashok Kumar Jain, Department of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today's topic is PT management in obesity. Overweight refer to increased body weight in relation to height. When compared to some standard or acceptable or desired weight. Obesity is defined as an excessively high amount of body fat in relation to lean body mass. Cause of obesity: energy intake, energy expenditure, nutritional activity level, endocrine, genetic, or drugs. Energy imbalance, what is it? Energy balance can be compared to scale. An energy imbalance arises when the number of calories consumed is not equal to the number of calories caused by the body. Weight gain usually involves the combination of consuming too many calories and not expending enough through physical activities. Excess energy is stored in fat cells which enlarge or multiply. Enlargement of fat cells is known as hypertrophy, whereas multiplication of fat cells is known as hyperplasia. With time, excesses in energy storage lead to obesity. Fat cell enlargement hypertrophy. Enlargement fat cell produce the clinical problem associated with obesity due to the following: the weight or mass of the extra fat, the increased secretion of free fatty acid and peptide from enlarged fat cell. Factor contributing to obesity: lifestyle में poor diet, skipping meal, soft drink, poor sleep, snacking, alcohol, sedentary, and etc. Psychosocial: depression, anxiety, binge eating, boredom, social event, low income, stress, etc. Biomedical: genetics, metabolism, intrauterine growth, medication, injury, mobility tissues, etc. Theory of obesity: genetic: high calorie and high fat diet, insufficient energy expenditure, environment and lifestyle, lipoprotein, lipase, leptin gene, drug and disease, health risks, psychological burden, osteoarthritis, high blood pressure, increased level of cholesterol, diabetes, increased heart disease, cancer, stroke, DVT, renal disease, sleep apneas, menstrual irregularities, gallbladder disease. Criteria for excessive body fat: percentage of body mass composed of fat, regional fat distribution, adipocyte size and number. Indication of obesity treatment: symptom, condition, caused by obesity, aggravated by obesity, unrelated by obesity. Dieting, set point theory: early weight loss is largely water. Step point theory: a weight regulating mechanism located in the hypothalamus of the brain regulate how much the body should weight. Step set point set the amount of body fat is considered necessary and work tirelessly to maintain it. Set point function like a there the mostate, it detect fluctuation in weight and make adjustment in energy metabolism and appetite. Set point theory. The set point has profound effect on amount of food you eat. As you lose weight, it signal. As you gain weight, it appetite. As you overeat, trigger body to fast. As you don't eat enough, trigger body to conserve. Spectrum dietary advice: eat less fat or calorie counting, meal replacement, meal provision, healthy eating, calorie defect, 1.1 or group consult VLCD. Exercise prescription FIIT principle. Type: aerobic exercise and resistance training. Duration 40 minutes. Frequency 4 to 5 days. Intensity EHR. When where EHR exercise heart rate is beat per minute. High intensity where low intensity. Before beginning or an exercise program. Here are a man older than 40 or woman older than 50 have had a heart attack, have a family history of heart related problem before age 45, have heart, lung, liver, kidney disease, feel pain in your chest, joint or muscle during physical activity, have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, arthritis, osteoporosis or asthma, have had joint replacement surgery, smoke, are overweight or obese, take medication to manage a chronic condition, have an untreated joint or muscle injury or persistent symptom after a joint or muscle injury, unsure of your healthy status, are or pregnant. Effect of exercise on fat metabolism. Two main source of energy, fat and carbohydrate. A rest body metabolizes only about 30% of fat. During exercise, only 25% FAT convert back into fat. During light exercise, 30 to 50% VO2 max, about 50% to 70% energy will come from FFA. Effect of average. A large percentage of FFA is used as source of energy. Lactic acid threshold will be higher. Resting metabolic rate increase. Increased level of epinephrine and non-epinephrine. Specific exercise consideration: non-weight bearing activities, recreational activities, planet versus incidental, survived versus non-survived. Health benefit of exercise training with or without substantial weight loss. Well, number first, maintenance of reduced body weight and body fat content, prevention of weight and fat regain, reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure, control of hypertension, decrease resting heart rate, increase stroke volume, increase cardiac output, reduce blood lipid, cholesterol, triglyceride, free fatty acid, increase blood high density lipoprotein, reduce cardiovascular disease risk, increase blood glucose control, reduction in oral hypoglycemic medication, reduction in insulin dosage, increase insulin sensitivity, decrease cancer risk, colon, breast, prostate, lung, decrease bone and joint problem, increase aerobic capacity, increase functional capacity, increase muscular function, increase psychosocial profile, decrease stress, decrease depression, increase self-esteem, decreased body image, disfigurement, decrease eating pathology, decrease mortality risk, increase immunity, increase pulmonary function, increase or maintain of bone mineral density, decrease risk of stroke, maintenance of increase in lean body mass, augmentation in RMR and 24 hours energy expenditure, body consumption exercise protocol and accompanies diet. Fat on exercise and obesity. Exercise alone only lead to slight weight loss, if any, but marked reduction in mortality. Adding moderate vigorous aerobic exercise to dieting slightly increase weight loss. Aerobic exercise during weight loss less than the loss of FM. Resistance exercise during weight loss perceive. Any type of exercise help maintain weight loss, but duration must be 4 to 10 hours per week. Complain may be better with multiple short bout session. Preventing weight regain after weight loss, extended treatment, professional contact, skill training, food provision, monetary incentives, peer support, exercise, physical activities, behavioral modification, self monitoring, stimulus control, body image and self esteem counseling, stress management, social support. Prevalence of obesity, BMI greater than 30 kg per meter square doubled, morbid obesity greater than 40 kg per minute quadrupled, super obesity greater than 50 kg per minute five-fold increase. Obesity in men and women in reproductive age in India. Country India 9 male 12 female. Punjab 30 male 37.5 female. Gujarat 15 male 17 female. UP 16 male 12 female. Haryana 14 male 17 female. Quantification of obesity: weight in kg per height in meter. Waist hip ratio: men greater than 0.88, women greater than 0.85. The possible mechanism in obesity: the complex mechanism of obesity linking fat excess to metabolic syndrome is not well understood, but several experimental studies have shown that altered production of adipokinase play a main role in development and progression of the disorder. An important underlying mechanism may be a genetic predisposition, a factor associated with infertility, including allergic variant in cytokinase gene known to stimulate inflammation of those known to down-regulate the anti-inflammatory response. In Indian, type of 2, 2 diabetes and hypertension has also linked in obesity. 60 million people suffer from diabetes in 2012 and will exceed 100 million by 2030. People with BMI greater than 35.0 kg per meter have a six-fold higher risk of diabetes. Impact of obesity on longevity. 2.5 million deaths attributed annually to the obesity. Direct relationship between the increasing BMI and relative risk of dying prematurely. In morbidly obese, life expectancy is reduced by 9 years in women, 12 years in men. Obesity and psychosocial health in women: poor body image, social lower educational level, lower rate of marriage, lower socio-economic level. Women at greater risk from obesity than men all across the world. At disproportional risk from complication of obesity. Rate of obesity are Indian or world over in women. Amenorrhea, anovulation, subfertility and infertility is increasing occurring with higher body weight. Obese women are more likely to experience irregular menstrual cycle, inno- innovation and sign of androgen excess, particularly when the excess weight occurred during adolescence. In obese women at risk of infertility, yes, in obese women is about thrice likely to be infertility as a normal woman. It is seen that adolescent obesity is associated with a threefold increased risk of lifetime and a fourfold increased risk of lifetime null gravity. Okay, thank you, G.